Okay, guys, I'm going to do a small demonstration. If you can't see, just move over here to the left somewhere so you can see what I'm doing over here. I have here some boards. These are wooden boards. I cut these out in the summertime. They're all nice and dry right now. What I'm going to do is break these boards. Choose the board. I'll choose this. This one looks good. I'm going to choose one of these boards. Doesn't matter which ones. They're all boards. It's like being a magician. I want to break a piece of this board. I'm going to put it here. With my fist, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm going to hit the one side and break this board. Obviously, you already know because you've done this. When you were a child, you took a ruler and you put it on the side and you smacked it on the side of the head. You know what's going to happen. I'm going to put this board here. I'll hit my head on this and break the board. What do I need to do in order to do this? What is missing? What's missing? Weight is missing. I need somebody to sit here. Now, if somebody is sitting right here, then I can come along and break that board. No problem. But I'm going to do something different. You have seen in the assignments that I like to use cartoon strips, and here they are. On Saturdays, we get this cartoon strips, and I come up with a word problem or two from this. So I'm going to use the weight of this newspaper. People. I'm going to use the weight of this newspaper to hold down this board. Yeah, it's okay. On the cartoon side, here we go. So it's just the weight of that newspaper holding down that board. If I come across here, I'm going to hit this. All right, hold on. Okay, now I think I'm ready to do this. I'm going to hit this as hard as I can with just this paper holding it in place. I like that so much, I'm going to do it again. That one wasn't loud enough. I need a thicker board. I'm going to put it, turn it around. Watch the newspaper. When I do this, watch that newspaper. Does it lift up? Does it go sideways? Does it do anything at all? Just watch the newspaper. This time I went across. It didn't lift up. That's what I was looking for. Question is, why didn't the paper lift up? We've been talking about it all along. What's on top of this newspaper? Air. Air is on top of this newspaper. Air has weight. There's pressure on top of this newspaper too. How much air is on this paper? Well, the size of the paper, the area of this paper from here all the way to space. All of the air, all of the weight of all of that air from here all the way into space is pushing down on us. That's what we call one atmosphere. So there's lots and lots of weight and pressure. We can calculate how much force or how much weight all that air is pushing on this newspaper. We just did the equations. It's a lot of force holding this down. As long as I do it quickly. The key is not to get any air underneath, because once I do that, then all I got left is just the weight of the newspaper itself. There you go.